Hello, boys and girls. I kind of wanted to just give you a rundown exactly what your reading assignment consists of this week. We are reviewing for a test that you will take on Tuesday of next week. So, this is kind of a review of the skills that will be on that test, and this is the second 9 weeks test. On Monday, it kind of gives you a step by step instructions on what to do. So refer back to here if you get lost in the assignment. What you'll do is watch this video, the videos on 3. And then here it gives you you're going to just drag it to the correct box. Okay. Here, what are we doing? You're going to drag the boxes in the correct categories. This is with ask and answering questions. So here, what do you do before you read a passage or a book? What do you do during the reading of the passage or the book? And what do you do after the reading the passage of the book or the passage? Then you're going to practice reading a passage here. Here you have your annotating tools. Okay, if you want to underline the kind of like Unravel, you can underline the title, circle important words, highlight things that you don't know, look at the pictures, the images, look at the captions underneath there. Then you're going to answer the questions. Now, on your questions, if you will look back at your number 4, it says answer questions to a dry place in complete sentences. I'm going to highlight that actually. I'll highlight those when I come back, but those will be highlighted because it has to be in a complete sentence, guys. We're in our second semester. We're ending our second 9 weeks, so we've got to have complete sentences. So on this one, if you don't write a complete sentence, it will be counted off points or counted wrong. Okay? So make sure you're answering in complete sentences. And I kind of gave a hint to what a complete sentence is. So that's what you'll do on this, these right here, and you'll just type right there. Okay? On Tuesday, you're going to review main idea. You'll watch the videos. Here you're going to do the vocabularies of main idea or supporting detail. What's the main idea? What's the supporting detail? You got to figure out which one of these goes there, and you're just going to drag it. Okay. Here, to find the main idea, it kind of gives you a paragraph, and you're going to have to fill in these words in the correct spot. Okay, and then you're going to practice. Okay, the Pacific Crest Trail. You'll read this, make sure you look at the images and the caption, okay, because those kind of help you in answering questions. Don't forget about your tools here that you can use. And again, some questions that need to be in a complete sentence. Then on Wednesday, gives you a step-by-step. We're going to go over making connections, but we're going to focus on sequencing today, okay? You're going to watch the videos of making connections and sequencing. Here you're going to put some things in order. Okay, you'll just drag it, just like kind of like if it goes here, you'll put the first one at the top. You'll put them in order that way. Okay. Then you're going to read Let's Make a Snowman. You have your tools that you can use. Then you're going to write about it. Okay. Below are the 4 steps to building a snowman. Write the steps below using sequencing keywords and details from the text. Okay. So refer back to here to what the steps are. Okay. Then on Thursday, we're going to do cause and effect, making connection using cause and effect. What you'll do is you'll watch the videos. You will read Caught Egg-Handed. Okay, I don't have any annotating tools because I found this one to use. So if you want to highlight, you can just go over and use your tools to highlight. Here, when you're finished, you're going to answer cause and effect questions. You're going to identify the cause and effect to the question. In the story, Calvin felt pain. What caused the pain in his foot? So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go back and figure out why was his foot hurting. Okay. Make sure you use complete sentences. Okay. Then on Friday, you're going to review illustrations in the words in a reading passage. Okay. You'll watch the following videos. Okay. Then you will read the passage Animal Eyes. Okay. Use the images. You can use your annotating tools. And then answer these questions in a complete sentence. Okay. Now, this starting the new year off right, if all of this is going to be due by Saturday at 3 p.m. If you turn it in late, it's minus 10 points for one day. You turn it in 2 days late, it's 20 points. 3 days late, that's 30 points. After 3 days, it's an automatic 0. Okay, so contact me if you can't get it done. I'll have to have a doctor's note. Okay, so let's stay focused. Let's start this year off right. And if you have any questions, make sure to send me an email or on GoGuardian.